friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making spicy creamy spinach dip, and this one has no cheese. Here we go. For this recipe, my friends, we need some spinach, and this is frozen spinach that I've thawed out. Just a plain spinach. No, you can also use fresh spinach as well for this recipe. I'm going to use onion, carrots, garlic, and to make it spicy, some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to also put in some plain yogurt and some mayonnaise. This is Kirkland bread. Good mayo, my friends. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my carrot here, my friends. I'm just grating the carrot. And I know what you're thinking, that carrot doesn't go into spinach dip, but I'm putting carrots in my spinach dip. Okay, this is wonderful. This is done. Okay, so my carrots are all ready. I also chopped up my onion and I minced the garlic. I mean, it could be smaller than this, but this will do. Okay, so let's chop up some of the Scotch bonnet pepper, because you know we're making it a little bit spicy to do so that it has a kick, right? And again, I am using a fork to hold this pepper because I do not want it on my fingers, right? A little bit here, a little bit there. I'm also going to take out some of the seeds as well. So you can make this as spicy as you want, or the pepper can be optional as well. Okay, so you don't need to put the pepper in, but I want a little bit of kick in there, and that looks good. Okay, so let's go over to the stove and continue. Okay, my friends, I have some olive oil here heating up on medium low. I'm just going to add my onions. I'm going to also add the garlic. Oh, it already smells wonderful in here. I'm also going to add my grated carrots and my hot pepper. Right? Oh my goodness, it smells wonderful in here. And I'm just going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. Just sweat it a little bit for about 2 minutes. You don't need it more than that, okay? Yeah, just for it to soften up a bit, that's all you want. About 2 minutes. Make sure the stove is on medium. Medium low is good. I'm just going to tip a little bit more oil in there. We'll just give it maybe another minute or so. I didn't need that extra olive oil. Oh, this smells wonderful. That's all. You just want it to sweat a little bit, just for the onion and the garlic to infuse a bit. And that's it. I'm going to take this off the stove. We're going to go over and finish up this easy, spicy spinach dip. And by the way, this spinach dip has no cheese. So here we are, my friends. The carrots and the onions and the garlic is already cooked nicely and done. Okay, so I have my spinach here, and as I told you, it's frozen spinach that we used, right? And you have to make sure you squeeze out all the water out of the spinach. Okay, so let's do that. You can also use fresh spinach as well. So let's break this up, put it in here. Make sure you have your clean hands, right? And this is the whole leaf spinach that we use, so you have to make sure just to break it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be, it can be a little bit rustic if you want that to be, okay? And remember, when we also do this recipe, my friends, you can add cheese and bake it and make a traditional spinach dip, right? But you know, I have to do something better. Okay, so then I get my yogurt, and if you're using a thicker yogurt, you can just use 2 cups of yogurt. This is 1.5 cup that I'm using here, and this is plain yogurt, and you get all that yummy goodness in there. So you get the probiotics from the yogurt, and then the vitamin K in the spinach make it all yummy. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix this in a little bit. Mix it in, make it nice and creamy. Oh my goodness. So this is this creamy, spicy spinach dip we're gonna make. Your family is going to love this because it's a little bit healthier version, right? But you get all that yumminess. And then I'm gonna add my mayonnaise in, right? Because you need some of that to kind of thicken up a bit. Wow. And then I'm gonna grab the Himalayan salt, and you can put some black pepper just to give it a little bit of yumminess. Okay, I'm gonna get the black. And you don't have to add the salt. This is all optional, my friends. And the black pepper as well. And the black pepper as well. And the black pepper as well. Wow. I mean, look at this, my friends. You really don't need the black pepper, but it's also optional. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Not very much, right? And as I said, it's a spicy, creamy spinach dip that we're making. And there, it's all done. I am going to plate this, and we're gonna come right back. So here it is, my friends, my creamy, spicy spinach dip already. And I've paired it with some wheat thin multi-grain crackers, right? Oh my gosh. So that's a spinach dip, my friends. Go out and try it. Thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can always end with something better.